It's fun, it's casual. It has all this texture on it, which is going to bring out your personality. This is a brand new Pixie style by Tony of Beverly. The name is Kris, and the color Rooted Champagne coming up. Kris was sent to me by Wig Studio One so I could review it for you today. If you're interested in this style in more detail, go below the video, expand the description box. I'll attach a direct product link. You'll find it at Wig Studio One. All of the details, color, offers, and pricing will be there. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So let's head right into this Pixie. I am over the moon for this Pixie. I don't know what it is, but I'm really getting into all of this texture, but it's more than that. Because those of you who wear this type of cut understand that the smallest measurement makes all the difference. The smallest difference in the cut makes all the difference. This one is perfect all the way around. So Kris, this edgy little Pixie, you'll see layers and texture all over. That front bang piece is about 2.5 to 3 inches. You can wear it straight down comfortably. You can sweep it off to either side. There's so much you can do with this cute little Pixie cut. Look at all of this texture and layer. You're going to find about a 3.5 inch crown piece, and that's going to boil down into a 1.5 inch nape. Now that nape is ample. It scoops around the ear, it covers up all the wig line, and it lays flush to the head, right under that occipital bone ridge. It fits beautifully. This is an average size cap. It does have Velcro adjusters. I'm able to get a really nice fit for a petite average circumference. There are some things that you want to know about Kris. It's made with a heat-friendly fiber. It's called the Ambient Fiber by Tony of Beverly. It is heat-friendly up to 350 degrees. So feel free to use your blow dryer or your curling iron on a style made from this type of fiber. It is soft. It's more or less low density because of all of this layering, and you will find some permatease on this. So you're going to find permatease all along the top and the crown, very little at the sides, some in the back, and absolutely no permatease at the nape. This is a perfectly tailored and sculptured Pixie style. And look how freshly cut this looks. It looks like you just stepped out of a salon with all of this razoring and texture, and it doesn't grow, so you don't have to go back every month. So the layers themselves are just super wispy, but I can't get over this cut. So I love a sculpted look right above the ear, okay? A little bit of height or contour on the top, a little bit of bump and profile, and then slim around the ear and the nape. They nailed this layering. Shaggy all over, but just the proportions of it. I dearly love it, would have it in every single color if I could. They actually have a rooted pink pearl, and they did not have stock in at the time of this filming, but I am going to get my hands on that. I think it would be so pretty. So let's talk about this champagne, rooted champagne. So what you're going to see as a base color on this, to my eye, is like a warm beige, and can also come across a little bit of a rusty appearance to it. So that warm beige is going to be highlighted and tipped with a nice light champagne blonde. And that champagne blonde is a nice neutral color. It's not too cool, it's not too warm. So this is neutral overall, leaning warm. And it does have a medium brown root. And I love and adore a rooted color on a style like this because it just gives such beautiful dimension to all of this layering. So let's take a look at the cap for Kris. So Kris features that beautiful velvet piece right at the front. It's super comfortable. And then it's basically a machine-made cap, but you will find a bit of monofilament right at the crown area that will give the illusion of scalp right up at the crown. And then open wefted sides and back, a closed velvet ear tab, an extended velvet nape with Velcro style adjusters. So what do I want to say about the fit here is that it is very average. I cinched it in just a tad to accommodate my petite average circumference. So if you let it out all the way, we should be able to get to average large. And then if you scoop it in all the way, we should be able to get to petite average on this. So I find it very comfortable. I'm not sensing any baggy cap anywhere all the way around. So I am really in love with this cap. And when the cap fits well, you don't even know you're wearing a wig. Glasses wearers rejoice. This is one of those pixie styles that works so well with glasses, nice and secure between the ear and the ear tab for comfort all day. So let's move Kris around. Sometimes we're mistaken when we think that pixies cannot be versatile, and especially if they have a wonderful shortcut bang. But I'm going to prove you wrong. Be sure to hang in there for styling. We'll see you soon right back here at TAZSWIG Closet.